Today we will see how we can make UiPath close down applications and what we can do to solve problems with the selector. So first off, we'll open, for instance, a text document. It doesn't really matter, it could be Excel or anything. And we'll search for the close application activity here. We'll drag that in. We could indicate the app on the screen like this. I will just set the timeout to 5 seconds. It doesn't matter, you don't have to do that, but when I make the video we don't want to wait 30 seconds. So right now this will close down the Notepad app. We'll check it if it worked. And it worked. However, there will be a problem. Let's say that this document was named any other thing. Then the title of the app will be New Text Document 2 Notebook, and that will be a problem for UiPath since its selector won't work. So we will see here, and in 5 seconds it will make an error. Yep, it can't find the selector. So how do we solve that? Well, it's easy. We click on the 3 ribbons here. We click Edit Selector. And we'll see it can't validate. However, if we omit the title, New Text Document, we can see that the selector will still find it. And now it will find any app with any title of the open document. I like the solution of deleting it completely because, well, I don't like unnecessarily code. So it still worked. And now we can close this down and call this. We can run the file and we'll see, we have to open the file, sorry. So I'll open it here. We'll run the file and we'll see that it will close down even though we change the name like this. That's it for now. Bye bye.